Welcome all. In today's Python series, we will look at different data types in Python. You can follow our whole of the series to get known to the Python language. So these different data types in Python, these are text type, numeric type, set types, mapping types. I have mentioned on this. You can also search on the Google to get a little more information about that. Although I would provide much of the information that I know about that. So these data types, how we can use, we can check one by one. Like text type, string type, we can define any variable like x equal to hello, and on printing the same variable x, we are now printing the x variable. On execution of this program, although we can also check the type of variable it is, so it will give us a better understanding like what type of variable is x and how we are changing the types to different numeric type, sequence type. On execution of this, so we are executing this for the first time. It is connecting in Colab browser. So how we are using Colab, how you can start browsing it, we have already discussed in the video one about this. After execution for the first time on connecting, it will take some time. Once it is check marked nearby connect, it show RAM and disk, and this is, we have hello get print and its type is string type, short form represented by str. So these are the data types. First we have known like text type, string type. Let's look at other one, like numeric types, in which we are taking int type. We are representing, see, the value 20 is being printed, and value of int show its type is int. Although we haven't pre-declared it anywhere, Python understood it by default, like what type of variable it is. So let's move on to another one. Again we are taking x variable, like and try to print it. Here there is an we are typing the text. Okay, on execution it will give us an error, like I am trying to achieve here as the complex data type. So these data type, the first one, like I am not defining it in a proper way. Like the first one is the real part of the complex number, and second part is the imaginary part of the complex number. So on with right syntax, it's get executed, and type of its type is complex type. So this is how we can define complex variables. Like in mathematical function we have complex variables like this. How we can define in this, we can use this. After that we are defining this list type variable, in which these are defined with square type. The list structure is dynamic and readily change. Like once it is defined, it is there in the list. Let's change it to another one. No, with angle, these curly braces, we are defining it, this is of tuple type. So tuple is a static and cannot be changed. This means that tuple is generally faster than the list. Let's look at another one. This is the range. Range type we define. It returns the range of values in between. Like by default we are taking it range to 6. It defines the range from initially taking it from 0 to 6. Let's define another one. So in this we are defining a, let's type in the syntax, and then we can, on execution, we will know what type of these data type it is. So I'm taking a name as Arpit, and let's take another as, let's take the age. So on execution of age, these are put it under the inverted commas. So like this, we are executing all these data types. Let's take the age also. So what are all are of string type, we have taken it under the inverted commas, and the integer type we have taken it work without. Okay, we haven't provide an inverted comma uh, as it is not defined by default, it is not taking this. So let's define it under the inverted commas. And on execution it is of dictionary type. Dictionary, to store the value in key value pair, we define the key and its value, like defining with the semicolon, after semicolon a value pair, before semicolon a key value. After that, let's check on to the another type. This string type variable always defined it under the inverted commas, as otherwise it would provide an give an error. So let's take in some of the values. We have taken the values on execution. It provide it is of set type, used to store several item in a single variable. A set is mutable, that is we can remove or add elements to it. Let's look at another one, frozen set. It is an immutable version of Python. Set object is a frozen set. While part of set can be changed at any moment, elements of frozen set don't change after they have been created. As a result, frozen sets can be used as a dictionary keys or elements of other sets. So this is of bool type. Bool type provide an output of true or false. After that, look at this is of byte type. Python byte function is used to convert an object to an immutable, that is cannot be modified byte object of the given size and data. So after that, we are defining the byte array. The bytes and the byte array classes both feature array of byte with value ranging from 0 to 255 for each byte. The main difference is that a byte object is immutable, which means that once formed, its element cannot be changed. A byte array object, on the other hand, allows you to change its element. So this is the output it provides, and this is type it is representing. Let's look at another one. Another one we are taking is memory view. A memory view is a secure technique to expose the buffer protocol. It allows you to access an object internal buffer by constructing a memory view object. The memory view method in Python returns a memory view object based on the bytes or byte array parameters. This is of none type. None type, in which an object that contains no value or define a null value. It is used to indicate that a variable or expression does not have a value or has an undefined value. So we have here converted the none type to the string type. So for any type you can predefine with that keyword. For string it is str, and after that under bracket you can define another type. So outside of the bracket set is to it is of, it becomes of that specific type. So this is how you can execute all this Python program. So follow, let's like, share and subscribe for more updates on the Python lecture, and do follow the lecture to get known to the Python execution.